Hey, Dr. J,
What's up?
is it okay to have a heart murmur?
Usually it's actually a normal thing to have a murmur. It's just a sound that your valves make or your heart makes with a whooshing noise. And I'm going to give you 5 quick points about how you can have a heart murmur and not actually have a heart problem. Number one, something called a physiologic murmur. It's just the blood flowing through the valves, past the valves. Sometimes there's a little leakage, sometimes there's a little stiffening. It can be a problem for people, but for most it's not. Number two, if you have a fever, your blood moves a lot quicker in the body, and that can increase flow throughout the body. Number three, if you are anemic, thinning blood, more blood moving, whooshing sounds causes a murmur. Number four, a lot of kids actually have a heart murmur, and it's usually normal, not a problem, but get it checked out. And number five, athletic hearts. Those people tend to have thicker heart muscle, which can sometimes cause you to have a heart murmur. As always, check the caption below for more details.
Hey, Dr. J, I like your J's.
Hashtag kicks on call. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share for more content.